What does your Kung Fu dream look like? Is it the sharp clash of mighty weapons, or the flowing grace of precise movements, or silent mornings in misty mountains, where Kung Fu begins as mind and body unite? In China, Kung Fu is not just performance. It's the sacred harmony of movement and stillness. Follow your passion with Asia Odyssey Travel's 3 best-selling Kung Fu tours. Train at the iconic Shaolin Temple in Dongfeng. Learn Kung Fu where Kung Fu Panda was born. Sichuan's Mount Qingcheng, and explore the roots of Wing Chun in Bruce Lee's hometown Foshan. Each journey blends authentic martial arts training, cultural immersion, and visits to UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Want to see more of China? Join our top 4 small group tours. Hike the Great Wall in Beijing, cruise the Li River through Guilin's karst landscapes, stand before the Terracotta Army in Xi'an, or visit the Potala Palace in Tibet. Headquartered in China, our local experts bring 15 years of trusted experience, serving thousands of travelers worldwide. Whether joining a small group of Kung Fu fans or creating your own private tour, we make your authentic Kung Fu journey seamless and unforgettable. Don't wait. Book your authentic China Kung Fu tour with Asia Odyssey Travel.